The third piece of equipment in my home gym that I used to use all the time but don't use that much anymore is a foldable step stool. Why a step stool, you might ask? Well, with the step stool, you can not only perform exercises like leg switches, step ups, and assisted pistol squats for your glutes and your legs, but you can also use a step stool to reduce the distance between yourself and the bar in order to get on top of it to either perform dips or just jump from it to practice that muscle up transition, which is exactly what I did in order to learn how to do muscle ups at home. It was essentially my secret weapon for getting muscle ups, especially when the world was on lockdown and we weren't able to go outside, because having that stool and reducing the distance between myself and the bar was essentially the equivalent of practicing the muscle up transition on a lower bar at a park. So yes, I would say the step stool is absolutely a very useful piece of equipment to have in a home gym. And of course, just a useful piece of equipment to have around your house in general for grabbing out of reach items. So definitely get one.